Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan SE in black. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7064.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.